Introducing the Advanced Witness Series AWS-3005-LC torque tester, a robust and versatile solution for your torque testing needs. Designed specifically for today's production facilities, this torque tester combines precision, functionality, and durability to elevate your quality control processes. The AWS-3005-LC torque tester features a simplified menu system that allows direct access to all menu functions, ensuring ease of use even for operators of all skill levels. Its compact and durable welded steel housing provides strength and durability, making it ideal for use in demanding production environments. With single-step access to all functions, the AWS-3005-LC torque tester streamlines your testing process, saving valuable time and increasing efficiency. This torque tester offers both clockwise and counterclockwise operation, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The AWS-3005-LC can be used to calibrate and check torque wrenches, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your tightening tools. With a torque range of 550 lbn, a drive size of 1/4 inch SQ, and an accuracy of 0.5%, the AWS-3005-LC is a versatile and precise tool for your quality control needs. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS-3005-LC torque tester. Its simplified menu system, compact and durable design, single-step access, and versatile operational modes make it an indispensable tool for quality control in production facilities. Invest in the AWS-3005-LC and experience precision, efficiency, and reliability in your torque testing processes.